Your legs weaken first. Seniors must eat these 3 key foods to strengthen them. Are you worried about losing your independence as you age? The secret to staying active and strong might be simpler than you think. It's all about what you eat. Maintaining leg strength is absolutely vital for seniors. It allows you to stay active, independent, and enjoy life to the fullest. Leg weakness is a common issue that can significantly impact your quality of life. It can lead to falls, reduced mobility, and a loss of independence. This video focuses on simple, dietary solutions to help you maintain and even improve your leg strength. We'll explore 3 key food groups that can make a real difference. Your legs weaken first is a powerful reminder to take preventative measures. Don't wait until you experience weakness to start prioritizing your leg health. This video provides practical, actionable solutions you can implement today. These solutions will help you maintain your leg strength and overall well-being. Protein is the cornerstone of muscle building and repair. It's essential for maintaining muscle mass, especially as we age. Adequate protein intake is crucial to combat sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass. Sarcopenia can lead to weakness, frailty, and increased risk of falls. Excellent sources of protein include lean meats like chicken, fish, and turkey. These options provide high-quality protein without excessive saturated fat. Eggs are another fantastic source of protein and essential nutrients. They're versatile, affordable, and easy to incorporate into your diet. Beans and lentils are plant-based protein powerhouses. They're also rich in fiber, which is beneficial for digestive health. Dairy products, or dairy alternatives like almond or soy milk, are also good sources of protein. Choose options that are low in added sugar. It's important to consume protein throughout the day, not just at one meal. This helps your body continuously repair and rebuild muscle tissue. Try adding protein to each meal and snack. This will ensure a steady supply of amino acids for muscle maintenance. Calcium plays a crucial role in maintaining strong bones. Strong bones are essential for supporting your muscles and preventing fractures. Fractures, especially hip fractures, can be devastating for seniors. Adequate calcium intake can significantly reduce this risk. Dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese are excellent sources of calcium. Choose low-fat or non-fat options to limit saturated fat intake. Leafy green vegetables, such as kale, spinach, and collard greens, also contain calcium. While the calcium may not be as readily absorbed as from dairy, they offer other health benefits. Fortified foods, like some cereals and plant-based milks, are often enriched with calcium. Check the nutrition labels to see if they're a good source. Vitamin D is essential for calcium absorption. Without enough vitamin D, your body can't effectively use the calcium you consume. Sun exposure helps your body produce vitamin D. However, it's important to protect your skin from excessive sun exposure by wearing sunscreen. Vitamin D-rich foods include fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel. Fortified foods, such as milk and some cereals, are also good sources. Healthy fats are vital for overall health and muscle function. They play a role in hormone production, cell function, and reducing inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids are particularly beneficial for seniors. They're found in foods like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts. Omega-3s can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation can contribute to muscle loss and weakness. These healthy fats also support muscle recovery after exercise. This is crucial for maintaining muscle mass and strength as you age. Be cautious about consuming excessive saturated and trans fats. These unhealthy fats can increase your risk of heart disease and other health problems. Focus on incorporating healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These fats provide essential nutrients and support overall well-being. Incorporate these 3 key food groups, protein, calcium, and vitamin D, and healthy fats, into your daily diet. This will help you maintain your leg strength and overall health. Consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian for personalized dietary advice. They can help you create a meal plan that meets your specific needs and health conditions. A personalized dietary plan can address any underlying health conditions that may be contributing to leg weakness. This ensures a holistic approach to improving your health. Don't wait until you experience significant leg weakness to take action. Start incorporating these dietary changes today to stay strong, active, and independent for years to come. Ready to take control of your leg strength and overall health? Click the link in the description below to download our free guide on senior nutrition for strong legs. This guide includes meal plans, recipes, and tips for incorporating these key food groups into your daily diet. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips on senior health and wellness. Share this video with your friends and family so they can benefit from this information too.